pest, birds. They'll roost in your property and turn your facade into a disease-infested dumping ground. It isn't pretty, and it will keep tenants up at night. Safe Spray are Australia's leading and most trusted bird netting specialists, who design, engineer and install custom, innovative and permanent bird netting solutions. Solutions that protect your valuable assets and solve your pest bird problems for good. Inferior solutions will end up making the problem and the damage worse. There's no question, the longer you leave it, the worse the damage becomes. But even if the damage has been done, there is a permanent solution. Safe Spray are the pioneers of bird netting, fabricating custom accessories and attachments that aren't available anywhere else. You know it's a good system when it just keeps working and you forget it's actually there. This allows you to maintain your assets with zero physical or visual impacts. And you don't have to wait days or months to see an impact. The results are instant. It needs to be done once. It needs to be done right. When it's done by Safe Spray, it's not just bird netting. It's a complete engineered bird deterrent system that has a 100% success rate and will stand the test of time. Your valuable assets protected by Safe Spray mean quality assurance, peace of mind, permanent results, and a guaranteed outcome with minimal operational impact. Create an invisible fortress around your valuable assets and eliminate pest birds for good with Safe Spray.